In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Google document to your files on your iPhone. So we're going to start by heading over to the Google Docs app on your phone. From this window, you can either select the plus icon to create a new document, or we can just select a document that already exists. So in order to save your document to your iPhone, what you need to do is click on these three horizontal dots in the top right hand side, click on Share and Export, and then select Send a Copy. Now decide the format that you want to save this Word document in. I'm going to save it as a PDF and press OK. Then from here, we're able to send this document directly to our friends and contacts, or if you want to save this to your files, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Save to Files. From this window, just select the folder where you want to save this to. I'm just going to save it directly on my iPhone and press Save. So now if you head over to the Files app on your iPhone and navigate to the folder that we just saved this document to, you can see in the top left hand side, we now have our Google document, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.